So I had these old curbs. They were just glued together. I didn't really like the way they were holding, and there was no waterproofing, so I'm gonna run a weeping tile underneath here, and then I'm gonna push these to go there in line with the fence, and then I'm gonna put proper retaining block, the type that actually has grooves and clips into each other, kind of like Lego. Then I'll put those together and go up the fence line in front of the cement, and then put back my interlock properly. And once I have all that done, then I'm gonna get ready to support my shed.